Are you ready to turn your love for macrame into a small business? In this video, I'll share 14 easy macrame business ideas you can start right at home as a beginner. Let's get started. 1. Macramé Coasters. Start with simple coasters using cotton cord, scissors, and a flat surface. Great for beginners to practice knots. Sell in sets on Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, or Shopify Starter. Coasters are affordable and trendy, making them easy to sell online. 2. Macramé Earrings. All you need is small cords, earring hooks, and scissors. These lightweight accessories are stylish and quick to make. Promote through Instagram Reels, TikTok, or Depop. Great for handmade lovers looking for unique jewelry at low cost. 3. Macramé Boho wall hangings. Use thicker cords, wooden dowels, or driftwood. Start small with simple designs, then move to larger ones as you grow. Sell on Pinterest shops, Facebook Marketplace, or your own Instagram shop. Boho Decor is always in demand. 4. Macramé plant hangers. Begin with cotton cord, rings, and pots for practice. They're functional, decorative, and easy to ship. List them on Instagram, TikTok shop, and local Facebook groups. Perfect for plant lovers who enjoy boho aesthetics. 5. Macramé Bag. Grab strong cords, bag handles, and a basic pattern. Start with small tote bags or clutches. These make stylish handmade fashion items. Sell on Instagram shops, Depop, and local craft fairs. Bags always attract attention. 6. Macramé Keychains. A beginner-friendly product needing only cord, key rings, and scissors. Quick to make, affordable to sell. Perfect for bulk orders or custom gifts. Promote through TikTok videos, Instagram stories, and free platforms like Facebook Marketplace. 7. Macramé Phone Bag. Use thicker cords, strap rings, and a simple pattern. These mini crossbody bags are trendy and useful. Share styling videos on TikTok, sell through Instagram shops, and list on Depop for free exposure. 8. Macramé Vintage Wall Decor. Try classic cream cords, beads, and wooden frames. Vintage designs appeal to home decor lovers. Market them on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook Marketplace. You can also sell to boutique stores or at local craft events. 9. Macramé pillow covers. Use sturdy cords, pillow inserts, and sewing basics. These cozy covers are perfect for boho home decor. Showcase on Pinterest or Instagram home pages. Sell on Facebook Marketplace or TikTok shop for free. 10. Macramé Plants. Create small artificial plant pots wrapped in macrame. You'll need faux plants, small pots, and cord. Unique home decor that doesn't require care. Sell through Instagram, TikTok, or even WhatsApp groups locally. 11. Macramé Slippers. You'll need strong cords, slipper bases, and patience for weaving. These comfy and stylish slippers are unique handmade products. Share on Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, and craft groups online. 12. Macramé Woven Basket. Start with a round frame or base, add thick cords for weaving. Baskets are multi-purpose for storage or decor. Sell on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook Marketplace. 13. Macramé Toys. Make soft, safe toys using cotton cords and stuffing. Begin with simple animals or knots for kids. Parents love handmade toys. Sell on Instagram kids pages, TikTok, and local mom groups on Facebook. 14. Macramé Hanging Lamp. Use a lamp base, cotton cord, and knotting techniques. Creates a cozy boho vibe at home. Showcase lighting effects through Instagram Reels and TikTok. Sell online via Pinterest shops or Facebook Marketplace for free.